Dear student, good morning, and let us discuss the class 10 chemistry chapter 3, and the topic name is properties of ionic compounds. First properties of ionic compounds are physical nature. Ionic compounds are solids and are somewhat hard because of the strong force of attraction between the positive and negative ions. These compounds are generally brittle and break into pieces when pressure is applied, just like the diagram given below. Melting and boiling points. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points, table given below. This is because considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong inter-ionic attraction. Dear student, we see that the melting and boiling points in some ionic compounds are given below. Just as sodium chloride. The melting point of sodium chloride is 1074 and boiling point is 1686. Lithium chloride 887 melting point and 1600 boiling point. Calcium chloride CaCl2 1045 melting point and 1900 boiling point. Calcium oxide CaO 2850 melting point and 3120 boiling point. Magnesium chloride 981 melting point and 1685 boiling point. Now the third property of ionic compounds are solubility. Electrovalent compounds are generally soluble in water and insoluble in solvent like kerosene, petrol, etc. Conduction of electricity. The conduction of electricity through a solution involves the movement of charged particles. A solution of an ionic compound in water contains ions which move to the opposite electrodes when electricity is passed through the solution. Ionic compounds in the solid state do not conduct electricity because movement of ions in the solid state is not possible due to their rigid structure and a strong force of attraction. But ionic compounds conduct electricity in the molten state. This is possible in the molten state since the electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions are overcome due to the heat. Thus the ions move freely and conduct electricity. So dear student, in this topic video lesson we study about the properties of ionic compounds. Our next topic is occurrence of metals. Thanks.